rooftops, but the rooftops will have to get cleaned. And the rooftops might be slippery because there's snow on it. And then, yeah, it's super cool. And then we have snow on the benches too. And we have leaves on the snow, and we have these bushes. And then this is what the huge snowfall looks like. There's snow everywhere, and it's super fun and exciting to see a huge snowfall, guys. It's super fun. And then we have a huge snow over here, and if we touch the snow, our hands are gonna get cold, and then we'll have to wear gloves so our hands won't get cold. So gloves can protect us from getting cold, and then gloves